The topic for today is to describe a time when you were pleased with a purchase. So if you want to see the question and the cues, have a look in the description. This was a tricky question for me because I'm not particularly profligate. I don't often make big purchases or spend a lot of money on something. But there was a time about 3 or 4 years ago when a ballet that I really adore was coming to the Northwest, and I'd seen this particular ballet before, this particular production as well, but it was because I loved it so much and found it such a kind of moving and uplifting experience watching it. I decided it would be worth the money, it would be worth splashing out on a ticket to go and see it again. I also ummed and ahed because the production was in Liverpool, which is about an hour and a half or 2 hours from Manchester, so it would cost more money to get there and take quite a bit of time. But I really love ballet, and it was a hobby that I had when I was younger. I did it for many years, so I like to sort of keep up with the latest developments in the industry, and I like to watch performances when I get the opportunity. So even though I'm not a spendthrift, I thought I'll spend the money on this occasion to do something that I really enjoy and that I knew would bring me a lot of satisfaction. So I bought the ticket online and travelled to Liverpool and thoroughly enjoyed the performance. So for me, it was completely a worthwhile experience, and I didn't regret spending the money whatsoever.